Hey guys, we are going to go ahead and set up a Google Doc. I'm going to help you format it so that you know exactly what it should look like, and I'm going to help you share it so you know how to share it with me, and that way we can start writing our rough drafts. And the good thing about it, because it's shared with me, I can go in there and add comments for you as you're working on your rough drafts, or if you have a question, you can highlight a section and add your own comment so I can look at it. So once you upload these, or I'm sorry, once you share them with me, I will put them in a folder for your class period. So during class time, I can be looking at these as you're working on them. So what you're going to need to do right now is we're going to go ahead and set up our Google Doc. So you're going to want to go to your Google account, your little waffle friend here. So on my screen, it looks like this, looks similar to yours. So go ahead and go to your Google Apps. Your my docs is right here. Your guys's tends to be down, so you might have to scroll just a little bit, but it looks like this right here. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. Once it loads here, you're going to want to start a new document. So we're going to do a blank document. All right. So now we have a blank document. It's still loading here. I want you to go up right now and change the title. You're going to change it to your name, your full name, first and last. And then you're going to write narrative essay. Okay. Now we're going to be back down here. So just put your cursor back down there and click. And I want to go ahead and set up the font and the size. So right here, we're going to use Times New Roman. It's just easiest for me to read. You want to change your font to 12. Okay. I know everyone complains that 12 is small, but 12 is standard for 8th grade writing from this time until you go through high school. If you go to college, through college, 12 point is the standard. You have 1-inch margins. This narrative essay will be at least a page and a half, if not more, depending on the story you're telling, which seems like a lot, but because you're typing about yourself in your story, it's going to actually go so quickly, and you're going to have dialogue, so that's going to separate your paragraph out even more. So to go back to us formatting, the first thing you want to write is your first and last name. You're going to press enter. You're going to type in your period. So whatever period you're in, I'm going to say I'm in period 10 because it's 3:45, so I'm not actually in a class period right now. Then I would like you to write, so press enter again, and this time you're just going to write narrative essay. Okay? Then you're going to press enter twice. 1, 2. Once you have it pressed twice, you're going to go up to these little tabs here, your little icons. You're going to go the one to center align. And this is where you're going to type your title. Now, we probably don't have a title yet because we're not sure what we're writing about, but you do want to go back in there at some point and write an actual title. But I do want you to write the word title for right now to get it set up. Then you're going to press enter 2 more times. 1, 2. We're going to go back. We're going to left align. And now to indent your first paragraph, you're going to press tab on your computer. So on your computer right here, TAB, right on the left side, go ahead and press that. That will automatically indent. I will know if you did not do this. If you press space 10 times, I'm going to know that. So please use the tab. And then this is when you would start writing the beginning of your story. So I'm just going to write a sentence or two real quick. That has nothing to do with the story I'm actually going to write. I just kind of want to get it started. So this is how you will format your paper. And I have a red mark because I mistyped. I have a typo. So the good thing is you have spell check. Please do not go through your essay and stop every time you see a red mark. Okay, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to go back and fix it when I'm done. This would be the beginning of my essay, and I would continue to type until the story is done. Okay, just to kind of give you an idea here. So now I'm going to go through my whole essay here. Now it is single space. We are going to double space it. So if you forgot to double space like I did, you can highlight this. You're going to go to Format, line spacing here, and double. So Format, line spacing, double. And then it'll automatically be double spaced for you. You can always do that in the beginning as well. I tend to forget, so it's okay if you forgot and you just did now. So anyways, I would continue writing mine. That's how I'm going to have you go ahead and format it. So now you're going to go ahead and share it with me. So you're going to go to share. And then you're going to share with me. You're going to type in my name. So Regina, that the key at fwcs.k12.in.us. And I'm going to leave that there so you can type that in. Hopefully it just pops up for you so it's a little bit easier and just click on it. And then when you're done, you're going to press done and it will share to me. Okay, I'm going to leave it up here for about 10 more seconds though in case you need to pause the video or type it in still. So about 5 more seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press done. Now it's going to be shared to me. So now I have a double copy of this. But now it's shared. So on my side, I have a copy of your paper, okay? And then you're gonna go ahead and continue writing your rough draft. So this is how it should be formatted. Please make sure you follow this video, pause if you need to, go back, format your paper, especially if you're at home today, and share it with me. I will then create a folder on my computer with each class period and your papers in there.